When looking at division problems, it helps to understand exactly what is being asked in a division sum. If, for example, we have the sum 12 divided by 4, we are simply being asked to find out how many 4s we can fit into the number 12. If we do this, we can see by counting in 4s that we can fit exactly 3 sets of 4s into 12. We must be aware that division sums do not carry the commutative property that both multiplication and addition do, which means that the order of the numbers in the division sum does matter. If we swap their order, we will get a much different answer. An example of this could be the sum 10 divided by 5. The answer to this is 2, but if we switch the order of the numbers 10 and 5, we would generate a very different answer of 0.5. One of the most common ways of working with division problems is to use the bus stop method for division. If we had a problem such as 742 divided by 7, we would draw our bus stop and place 742 underneath it. The 7, which is the number we're dividing into 742, will be placed outside the bus stop. Now we look at each digit individually and ask ourselves if we can divide a 7 into them. So the first digit is a 7. How many 7s can we fit into 7? Of course, this is 1. So we write this above the bus stop. We then ask how many 7s we can fit into 4. Here we cannot fit any 7s into 4 because 4 is too small of a number. So we write a 0 above the bus stop. In this instance, we still have the 4 left over as we haven't divided anything into it, so we must move this over to the next column to make our last number 42. We then ask how many 7s we can fit into 42. The answer here is 6. Of course, it helps to be comfortable with your multiplication when working with division problems. There is no problem with adding 7s down the side of the page to give you a guide. This will help you in the long run. We've now completed our division sum with nothing left over and found our answer is 106. This method of division does take some practice and time to get used to, but it will save a lot of time when you become more comfortable with it. I hope this has helped and you know more about division using the bus stop method. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.